Hello, everyone. My name is Luke Wallace, and this may or may not be my first video. I'm not sure if I'm going to upload this or not. Um, but essentially, this is going to be the start of my online journey. I started this journey of entrepreneurship several years ago. I've always wanted to document it, but I've never really gotten around to it. And, time's flying by. I want to start documenting this for something everyone can look back on, can learn from, will view my mistakes along the way, and hopefully 5 or 6 years from now, this will be a really cool video to look back on. Um, but here's the deal. I'm 17 years old. I run a window cleaning, pressure washing, gutter cleaning company, so exterior home cleaning essentially. Um, and I also have a photography, videography business. I wouldn't call it a content agency yet, as it's just me. Started off by doing drone work and expanded into camera work and photos, stuff like that. So that's where I'm at right now, and try to keep myself busy outside of that. Learning Mandarin Chinese, and like to learn a lot of other languages when I travel as well, right? So, but you know, learn languages, run my two businesses, and I'm working on my pilot's license right now. So that's where I'm at. Pretty ambitious guy. Um, I left November, my sophomore year of high school. It was a nice high school. It was a prep school and private school. I decided to leave. I had my businesses. I had to pick one or the other. The path I really wanted to, I already knew I wanted to pursue, or the path of college and formal education, which honestly didn't really have any interest of. So I left November, my sophomore year. I got a GED that following September. And ever since, I've just been working my ass off. There's been moments of weakness, moments of procrastination, moments of self doubt. Everything you'd expect. It's not as easy as one may think it is. Um, I'm in the midst of it right now. You know, I'm not necessarily at the beginning, unless you're thinking in a very broad view in terms of time. Then sure, maybe I'm at the beginning. But as far as the next 5 or 6 years go, I'm in the middle of it, and we run into some obstacles along the way. I just had my only cleaner. He got a concussion at a sports game the other day, and we have $4,000 worth of cleanings lined up for this week, and now he's gonna be out for a month. So I've been scrambling all morning, messaging people, asking my friends, all that stuff for people, and it turns out it might have been a blessing in a way. I have like 4 people that are seriously interested. One person's already going to be working with me this week, and the others I might be able to onboard as salespeople for door to door this summer, which I think could be a great opportunity. So I try to look on the bright side of everything. Um, you know, stuff happens, right? Stuff happens. Um, but I'm starting this video. This is gonna be the beginning of a very successful future, hopefully. Um, I know I have a few videos on my YouTube channel before this, just there, stuff I've done before. But I'm going to be using this channel from now on to document my journey as an entrepreneur, building 2 businesses, learning languages. Sometimes I'll put some travel in here as well. I am 17. I've been to 31 countries, 33 countries, 31 states so far, which is pretty good. So I might throw a little bit of travel in there as well. But really, what this is going to be about, my day-to-day life, how I manage my businesses and behind the scenes in the sales scene, door to door, and training new people, meetings, what I do in the gym, how I keep track of my day, language study, um, pilot training, all that stuff's gonna be in here. Okay. Um, I'm looking for a cameraman right now. So until then, it's just gonna be me on this thing, which I don't mind. I'm probably talking to a whopping 5 people right now, but hopefully 2 or 3 years from now, I'll have a bigger audience. There'll be some meaning behind these videos other than personal journal. Um, but yeah, you guys are gonna follow me around. We're gonna do day-to-day stuff. It's gonna be a lot easier once I get a cameraman on board here. But you're gonna see me basically from the beginning stages of my businesses, or early stages, you could say. First and second full year of my window cleaning business, and I guess I've been doing the photo video stuff for like 4 years now. So you're gonna see me grow these into something that's scalable, sellable, and a valuable business, not just a teenage side hustle. And you're gonna see me eventually use that money. We're gonna get Airbnb property. We're gonna get possibly a long-term rental. Eventually, we'll start using the bird method as well as short-term rentals, and that's the money that's gonna fuel my dreams. Money from the businesses, we're gonna save as much as we possibly can. It's gonna go right into real estate once I have the knowledge and the savings. And then that money from real estate is going to go into diversifying my investment portfolio and into enjoying my life. My goal right now, I've broken down everything ideologically, physically, financially, emotionally, everything I want out of life. And to get all of that, I need around $125,000 a month. Sounds like a big number now, but I feel very positive we can get there. I do. I think we can get there. Possibly before I'm 30. That would be the goal. You know what? Shit works out. Maybe even by the time I'm 26. But that's what we're working towards. $125,000 a month. It'd be really easy to settle, pilot's license. I could just say, forget these businesses, go all in pilot training, get my hours up, work for an airline, call it my life. I can't get myself to do that. It's just not in my blood. So that's what we're going to be doing here. We're building these businesses from the ground up. We're going to build a real estate portfolio from the ground up. We're going to diversify my investment portfolio from there. And then, not to sound cliche or anything. Yeah, it's cliche. And you'll see me enjoying my life on this channel 5 or 6 years from now. We're going to be traveling places consistent basis. I get travel in my blood. Both my parents, travel agents, grew up traveling the world. So that's what's gonna be. I don't know if I'm gonna post this video or not. But yeah, if I do post it, it's just gonna be this talking point. No fancy graphics, no music, no illustrations. It's just gonna be this. The goal is gonna be 2 YouTube videos a week and 3 to 4 short form videos a week. We probably won't get to that until I get a cameraman on board or an editor. So until then, it'll probably be 1 YouTube video, maybe 1 or 2 shorts a week, at best, to start out. And then as we grow, obviously, my content spread will grow as well. Um, but yeah, that's this. To the 5 people watching me right now, I hope what am I kidding? No one's watching the end of this video unless like uh, 5 or 6 years from now. Maybe I have like a couple 100,000 subscribers. They're leaving stupid comments. Look where it all began. Maybe that's what this video will be. Who knows? Otherwise, if it just ends with a couple hundred views, I'm happy with that. I had fun. Okay. Well, I'm not happy with that, but like, whatever. So I'm gonna end the video here. Um, I'm gonna try not to leave any cuts. I'm gonna cut one part of this video. There's, yeah, I'm gonna cut one part of this video. Otherwise, it's gonna be a straight cut. And it's just gonna be this talking point, and that's it. So you're gonna see me fix my schedule, build businesses, um, all that good stuff here. And hopefully you learn a thing or two. You learn from my mistakes. Maybe you're in middle school. Maybe you want to be where I'm at by the time you're my age. Um, Obviously, I wouldn't take advice from me if you're already doing pretty good in life and you're like 30. Just consider this entertainment. um, that's where we're at. I'm gonna think of some video ideas. We're gonna get those cooking. All right. Hope you enjoyed this video. I probably would have clicked off it a while ago if I were you. But whoever's watching now, I don't know why you're watching, but I'm happy for you. Congrats. You must not have much to do today. I'm gonna end this video here. Okay. I will hopefully see you guys soon. Hopefully this video doesn't sit on the top of my channel for 5 years. That wouldn't be great. That'd be kind of lame. So I'm ending this. See you guys soon. All right. Peace out.